Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Cubot R19 to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both of them, tapping on the search bar and typing in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Cubot. So open, I accept, confirm, continue and lastly allow. After that you need to select receive on an Android and send on Cubot. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will transfer all of your files. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with only one. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on an Android, then select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!